Alright, so this is a simple tutorial on how to create and delete users using CMD. Alright, so usually in a work environment, you'd be creating users from Active Directory, right? So you would create on new, click on new, user, and then just create your user that you need to create. But there's another way of doing it too, and this is on command prompt. Alright, so it's as simple as this. You type in here net user and then the name of the username that you're trying to create. So in this case, it's going to be John Doe. So I'll call it John Doe. And then you're going to enter in a password for John Doe. So this is the password that I'm entering for him. And then / add. And as you can see, the command has been completed successfully. And if I were to go to Active Directory and I go on to refresh wherever it is. Hold on. There you go. You can see, whoops, you can see that John Doe has been created like so. And then basically you can, create a logon name for him and make sure that everything is properly configured. Now, if you want to delete that username that you just created, you just enter in that same command, but this time you delete the password and then you change add to delete. Okay? And that will also delete John Doe on Active Directory. And if you go back here, okay, let me deselect the John Doe, refresh, you can see John Doe has been deleted. So that's how you can add and remove somebody from Active Directory. Usually in most work environments, you don't really delete anybody, you just disable them. But hey, now you know. Hopefully that works and that helped you out.